Hello, today I will show you how you can do the angles manually on the chart and what is the problem of that and how you avoid the scale problem in MT4 using Gann analysis indicator. So we'll start with the monthly chart. This is a Euro GBY chart, and from the lowest low here I want to draw one by one monthly angle. So in the monthly chart we are drawing the monthly angle, in the weekly chart we are drawing the weekly angle, and the daily chart we can draw the daily angle. I'll explain later how you can overcome that in the daily chart and draw whatever angle type over the daily chart. So let's start now with the monthly chart. This is the lowest low, and if we check here we can see that the value for the low is 91.104. So to have one by one angle you need to just change the second point of the trend line to the next month. So you will have the count here, if you can see near to the cursor here, 1 bar, and change the value. This is the rising angle, so the value will be 95.104. so it is a rising of 1 point for 1 month. You press enter and you will see that one by one angle has stopped the market here. Alright, I'll use the indicator for Gann analysis. I will do the same one by one monthly angle, change the sensitivity, I'll put it in different color so you can see the difference. So this is one by one. You notice that it is the same. So the indicator is having the same concept if you do it manually. But now if you are not trading the monthly chart, you are trading the daily chart or the weekly chart. So now let's go to the weekly chart and we can see that when you draw the angles manually on the chart, the location of the trend line has changed, while the indicator keep the same position. So now let's go again, let's move to the daily chart, and we can see that the angles has changed, no, but the trend line has changed the location. Even we are putting up or down, zooming in, you can see the location has changed. Okay, if you go to the 4-hour chart, we can see that when you zoom in and out, that the location of the trend line is changing. You can see that here is overlapping, then it's coming down, then if you zoom more, it's changing the location. So but the angles remain in the same position from the Gann analysis indicator. So this is how we overcome the scale position in MT4. You notice here that in the monthly chart we had a good reaction here at the angle, but if we go to the daily chart we can see that when we reach the angle there was a breakdown, there was a breakout for the angle for 2 days if we are speaking about the indicator. Okay, so you can see that we broke out for 2 days. This is why in the training for Gann we are saying that it is important to pick up the same day, the exact day high or exact day low, to start drawing Gann angles. So notice here, when we draw the angles from the monthly chart, we start from the first day on the chart of the month. So you can see that the angles is starting before the actual day low. But if you take one by one monthly angle from the exact day low and we move forward, we can see that the second angle, this is the first angle that we drew in the monthly chart, the second angle give you exactly the same the low day. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days touch to the angle, so you can engage in the market at any time of that. So this is how you can avoid the scale, the problem in MT4. And if you zoom before we finish, we can see that angles is not moving the location while you zoom in or zoom out on the chart. Here you can see the location is remaining the same. So if this is the monthly chart angle coming from when we draw in the monthly chart, and this is from the daily angle from the daily chart. So if we mark here, we can see this is a candle on the 1 hour. If we go back to the 30 minutes, we can see that it is remaining the same, while the other line, if you zoom in or out, or you try to change the scale, the line that you drew manually on the chart is changing, while the other angles remaining in the same place. So hope this will help. If you have any question or any inquiries, please feel free to contact me. Happy trading.